Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Dia. I am going to be doing another Minooy review today. A few weeks ago, they sent me over this purse. It's the Phoebe purse, and I'm using it as my kind of everyday carry work bag. I'll go ahead and leave the link down below to how I'm using this bag. I've been kind of using it the same. I just have my planner in here in one pocket with a few essential things, and then in the other pocket I'm carrying my current read with me, which, has anybody read this? I picked this up last summer and I don't know why I never finished it, but I started reading it again and I love it. I am currently using this bag, but I kind of needed something smaller. I have this little Michael Kors bag, but it basically only fits a small wallet, my cell phone, and my glasses in it with the glass case. And Minooy actually reached out to me and asked if I would want to try one of their most popular bags called the Naya. And it's a lot smaller than this one, so I thought that would be perfect for any of my little quick trips where I don't need to bring my planner or a book with me. And I'm kind of excited because there's one compartment in it for the glasses. That sounds stupid, but I'm really excited to check out this one section of the bag because the problem I have with my current small bag is that my glass case takes up too much space in it, and I'm blind now because I'm getting old, so I need my glasses with me most of the time. So I thought I'd go ahead and just do the unboxing on camera because I haven't done one in a while, and discover this bag along with you guys. So this one came in a smaller box than my other one, obviously, because it's a smaller purse, but they all come in these really sturdy black boxes, and they just have like a magnetic, opening. And then they also all come, I dropped it on the floor, but they come with a thank you card and like instructions on how to keep your bag clean. They also all come in these cute little dust bags, and this is my third Minooy purse. And I've been getting them in this gorgeous caramel color, but my daughter told me to try something different, so I did. And, ooh, let's see how I like it. Okay, This is it right here. So this is the Naya bag. As you can see, it's a lot smaller than this one, so it'll be perfect for my everyday bag. This is the coffee color, and right off, I don't know, I like it. I just think I'm obsessed with this caramel color right now, so there's a little part of me that wishes I got it in the caramel color, but she told me to try something different, so that's what I'm doing. And this will match everything too. I actually like dark brown things as well, so I'm sure I'll fall in love with the color more and more. So let's go ahead and check this out. It has, I'm gonna start with the back pocket. It just has this back pocket right here, which is probably perfect for my phone. It has their classic little charm right here. And then on the front, we have another pocket, and this is a magnetic little button pocket. It's really easy to button. Oh, and it has a zipper, which, if you've watched any of my previous unboxings or videos about these purses, I love their zippers. They're extremely sturdy, and they have really smooth zippers that are easy to open up. Okay, so in this front section here is a wallet, and it has space for like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like 8 cards. And then there's an additional big pocket right there. And then there's another zipper pocket back here, so lots of space to put things and hide things. You can even, put your phone in this space right here. I don't know about these built-in wallets. I don't really like to use them, but I have started using this planner as my wallet. This is a Moterm planner, and I have all of my stuff in the back here as a wallet. So when I'm gonna run into a store, a lot of times what I'll do is just grab the cards that I need out of it, and what I can do is just slide them into these little card slots, so I don't need to bring another little wallet with me. Okay, so that's the front section there. And each little section does have 2 zippers. It has 2 zippers on the other bag too, but on the other bag, both zippers have like the little tabs on them. This one zipper has a tab, and then one zipper has this little round thing, which is cute. I like when they have the double zippers because I'll usually hide the zippers so I can just unzip both sides halfway down instead of unzipping the whole thing. And then that way you don't have as many zippers on the side. Okay, let's check out the main section. And of course it has the strap in it. It's got lots of these little things in here. See if I can get you guys a good view of this. So it opens up nice and wide, easy to reach into, and it has this middle section here. I could literally fit, almost fit. It won't fit at the top. It's a pretty big pouch in here. So it has this big pouch area. It has another little zipper on the side here with a little pouch, more card slots. And then on the other side there, oh wait, let me not forget to mention this. So you can put your keys on it so they don't get lost in your purse. And then on the other side is the side I'm actually excited about. It has 2 pen loops right here, which is pretty cool, so you don't lose your pens. And this is the section that I love. I usually have my sunglasses with me and a set of like reading glasses. And this section is made for glasses. It has this little magnet this little magnet right here so that it shuts really easily. And what you do is you can get your glasses and just slide them in here like that. So you just open this up and you can slide these in here. You can slide them in there all the way, but I'm gonna leave my thing hanging out. And this material on this side is more like a suede, a really soft material, so that you know your glasses will be protected. Oh, and actually there's elastic on the inside of this. I don't think I can show it to you guys, that you can kind of hook your glasses in. This way you can keep and just have one on each side, so that way I can put my sunglasses and my reading glasses and not have to worry about them getting scratched up inside my purse. I don't have to bring one of these with me anymore because this ends up taking more room. And I'm gonna go ahead and fill this up with how I would use it, and then I'll show you guys how I set it up. Okay guys, I'm back. I gave it a little test run and I think I have it set up how I want to use it. I know the color is going to grow on me. I actually like it a lot. I'm just used to having the lighter color right now, but this is going to be good because I won't worry about it getting dirty like I do with the other one sometimes. And it's going to be a perfect travel bag too, because there's so much space in here that I didn't even use yet. But let me go ahead and show you how I am using it right now. I went ahead and just slid my phone in this back pocket here. This is not an iPhone Plus, it's just the iPhone Pro. So the Plus would probably stick up a little bit higher. The strap is adjustable and I'm only 4'11" and I'll try and give you guys a full view of it later, but it's really comfortable to wear and it's adjustable and I like to wear it crossbody. Also, when you're wearing it, I noticed that when you go to close this front section right here, it's really easy. It just snaps right into place without any effort at all. The front section here, all I have in here is the stuff that I would need to make a few purchases. And at first I put them on this side here, but then I decided to put them on this side here because if I'm wearing the bag, I like to see the cards. So it was really easy to open my bag and see what cards were on this side that I needed. And that's pretty much all I have in this area right now. If I was traveling somewhere and needed to take more cards with me or my passport or anything like that, it would fit in here perfectly. And then in the main section here, which opens up so nice and wide, I went ahead and put my Nook in here. It just fits right in this section. If I was gonna be gone somewhere for like a good portion of the day, I'd probably go ahead and stick a charger in here and maybe a little snack or something. That would fit perfect in here too, even along with this. I don't currently have my keys with me, but I did attach them there. And then on this side, I didn't use this little pocket, but in this little pouch pocket right here that's really easy to get into, I just put my chapstick and some mints because it's so easy to reach in that space right there. And then the part that I was really looking forward to was the section for my glasses. And I will say that it is a little bit tight when I put my sunglasses in here. 2 regular pairs of glasses would probably fit fine, but I felt like it was a little tight with my Ray-Ban glasses, but they still slide in here and close up and stay separated really well. Now I can keep both of my glasses in here if I need to and not worry about switching them in and out of a case or carrying 2 cases with me. They fit in this little pouch perfectly. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this back on and show you guys what it looks like on me. I think I mentioned I'm 4'11", so I'm pretty tiny. Let me see if I can get you guys a full view so you guys can see what this looks like on me. I don't think I can get you a full view, but this is gonna be as good as it gets. So here is the bag, and this is how I'm wearing it. Can you even see it? There. And I kind of, yeah. Okay guys, so that's pretty much it. I just wanted to go ahead and share this unboxing of this Minooy bag with you. I will leave a link for it down below if you're interested in purchasing this or any of their other bags. I think my favorite bag so far has been my Phoebe bag, which is kind of my work bag. That caramel leather is just so buttery and creamy and soft. This one is, it's still buttery and soft. It's just a little more stiff, but I think part of that is also just because it's smaller and there's less surface area for it to be kind of floppy. But I'm really looking forward to using this bag. I really do like the color a lot. It'll match anything that I'm wearing, and it'll be a lot more convenient when I just need to run out the door with something small. So check them out if you're interested in any of their bags. I'll leave the link down below. If you found this video helpful, I'd really appreciate a thumbs up. If you guys want to see more from me, be sure to subscribe. And if you want to be notified whenever I post a new video, make sure you hit that notification bell, and I will see you guys in the next one.